1, 2, 3. I can touch it through the phone, or touch it through the universe. In another time zone, that's the only time I can reverse. But when there's two dimensions, there's only one I'm missing. If you feel alone, you don't have to feel that no more. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion in 3D. You only grab me, champagne confetti. I wanna see it in motion in 3D. 'Cause you know I like it, girl. 3D. You know I like it, girl. 3D. Body to body to body to body to body. You and me, baby, you know that we got it. So don't go getting me started. 'Cause you know I get hot-hearted. Baby, oh baby, oh baby, you're making me crazy. Rain, 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 you can't fake it. You give me brand new emotion. You got me drinking that potion. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion in 3D. You only grab me, champagne confetti. Hey, I wanna see it in motion in 3D. Come on, 'cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. You know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. 'Cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. You know I like it, girl. 3D.
I'm on my junk cook, take a chick off one look, and when they get took, they don't ever get untook. When I seen that body, you would think it was a the way I told my boys, come look. I used to take girls up the Stony Brook and steal their hearts like some crook. True story. Now when I hold somebody's hand, it's a new story. All my ABGs get cute for me. I had one girl, too boring. 2 girls, it was cool for me. 3 girls, damn, dude's horny. 4 girls, okay, now you. I'm loose. I done put these to good use. I done put my city on my back, and the world know my name, I'm the truth.
So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion in 3D. You only grab me, champagne confetti. I wanna see it in motion in 3D.
Why?
'Cause you know I like it,
Why
girl.
do you like that,
3D. You know I like it, girl. 3D. 'Cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it. Alright. You know I like it, girl. 3D.
I got you on camera. You my babe, just like Tampa. Speaking of bucks, I got those, and that's for, well, not those, and that's for thoughts. Well, do you really wanna know? I thought so. I fly you from Korea to Kentucky, and you ain't gotta guarantee me nothing. I just wanna see if I get lucky. I just wanna meet you in the physical and see if you would touch me.
Let's learn 1, 2, 3D. It's choreographed by Julia Wetzel. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 1, a tag restart on wall 4 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags, the restart, and the ending, and then we're going to go around and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn 1, 2, 3D. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a right coaster step. Step your right foot back, left together, right forward. You're now going to rock forward with your left foot, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a half shuffle. We're going to start by making a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then you're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. When you step forward with your left foot, you want to slightly over rotate so your hips are going to be angled to the left. This will help you go into section 2. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left foot, you're rocking with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, at this point you are facing 6 o'clock and your hips are slightly open to the left. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the right side. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're going to hold and clap. Then we're going to quickly step our left next to our right. You're going to step your right foot to the right side and you're going to hold and clap. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right and we're going to do a modified Monterey half turn. So you're going to point your right toe to the right side, angling your body to the left. You're now going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, pivoting on the ball of your left foot and step your right next to your left. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and then you're going to cross your left slightly over your right. Let's try that with some counts. So we would have just done our half shuffle. Weight is on your left foot. You're facing 6 o'clock with your hips opened to the left. You're going to make that quarter turn. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do knee rolls. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side, and as you do it, you're going to bring your knee in and then out as you step onto that right foot. You're going to do the same thing with the left. You're going to bring your left knee in and then push it out to the left as you step onto your left foot. If those knee rolls don't work for your body or they're feeling kind of hard, you can replace those with a skate to the right and a skate to the left, whichever one works best for you. So we just did our 2 knee rolls. You're going to cross your right over your left. You're going to step back with your left. And now you're going to quickly step your right foot to the right side and cross your left over your right, slightly bent knees, and you're going to hold. We're now going to do a ball crossing shuffle. So we're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side, and then you're going to do a crossing shuffle left over right, cross, side, cross. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our rock. You're doing your knee rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6, and 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stomping our right foot slightly to the right side. You're now at 12 o'clock. You're going to stomp your left foot slightly to the left side. You're now about shoulder width apart. You're going to swivel your right heel in and then back center, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to swivel your left heel in and then back center. When you come back center, you want your weight on the ball of your left foot. We're going to do a half turn over our right shoulder, pivoting on the ball of our left foot and then stepping forward with our right. So you're turning over that right shoulder, pivoting on your left, and then step forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot next to your right to face 9 o'clock. And then you're going to do a kickball change, kicking that right foot forward, step your right next to your left, and then you can step your left foot slightly forward, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's try it with some counts. We just did our cross and cross. You're going to do your stomp, stomp. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your rock. Rock, recover, coaster step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter side, hold and clap, ball side, hold and clap, ball point, half turn, side rock, cross, knee roll right, knee roll left, cross, back, ball, cross, hold, ball, crossing shuffle, quarter stomp, stomp, swivel, in, center, your half, quarter, kick, ball, change. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're rocking. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now let's talk about the tags. The tags that happen on wall 1 and after 16 on wall 4 is the same exact tag. So once you learn it once, you'll know it both times. And the music is going to sound the same when you do the tags both times. The first time we do will be the end of wall 1. We're gonna rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. You're now gonna step back with your right. You're gonna slightly bump your hip back to the right. Then you're gonna bump your hip forward, back. You're now gonna do the same thing with your left. You're gonna step back with your left and push your hip slightly back. Bump your right hip forward, back. You're now gonna step back with your right and you're gonna slightly hit your left knee up. And then you're gonna do a big step forward with your left, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. You're rocking 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Ready to start the dance all over again. Now, the next time we do that tag is going to be on wall 4. You'll start wall 4 facing 3 o'clock. You're going to dance the first 16 counts, which is up until your Monterey half turn with your side rock cross. So let's face this. We're going to dance the first 16 counts, and then you're going to add the tag that we just did on the end of wall 1 to that 16 counts. So we're rocking, rock, recover, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter side, hold ball side, hold ball, point, half turn, side rock, cross. Right here, you're now going to add that tag that we just did on. So we're gonna rock, recover, back bumps, back hip bump, back hitch, big step, and then you're gonna start the dance all over again. This will become wall 5. You will dance the rest of the dance through all the way up until wall 11. It's your final wall, and then you would add on the ending. The ending for the dance, you'll be facing 3 o'clock, and instead of doing your rock and coaster step, you're gonna do a quarter pivot, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock, and you could pose however you would like. And that is all the ending is. You'll have about 2 or 3 counts at the end of the song to do that quarter pivot, putting your weight, and pose. So now we're gonna go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance through both restart tag sections of the dance and the wall that follows so that you can practice those transitions. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our rock forward. Rock, recover, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter side, hold, clap, ball side, hold, clap, ball, Monterey, half side, rock, cross, knee roll, cross, back ball, cross, hold ball, crossing shuffle, quarter stomp, stomp, swivel in, half, quarter, kick ball, change. Now you're doing your tag, rock, recover, back hip bump, back hitch, big step, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, hold 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, rock, recover, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter side, hold, clap, ball side, hold, clap, ball, point, Monterey, rock and cross, knee roll, cross, back ball, cross, hold ball, crossing shuffle, quarter stomp, stomp, swivel in, half, quarter, kick ball, change. 16 counts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, do your tag, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, start over, rock, recover, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter side, hold ball, point, half turn, rock and cross, knee roll, cross, back ball, cross, hold ball, crossing shove, full quarter stomp, stomp, swivel in, half, quarter, kick, ball, change. And then you would dance another rotation of the dance until you get to wall 11, and you will do your ending. Now that you've practiced with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description to skip to the end of the video and practice with the rear-facing demo so that you can go out and rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn 1, 2, 3D. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
1, 2, 3D. I can touch it through the phone, or touch it through the universe. In another time zone, that's the only time I can reverse. But when there's two dimensions, there's only one I'm missing. If you feel alone, and you don't have to feel that no more. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion in 3D. You only grab me, champagne confetti. I wanna see it in motion in 3D. 'Cause you know I like it, girl. 3D, you know I like it, girl. 3D, body to body to body to body to body. You and me, baby, you know that we got it. So don't go getting me started, 'cause you know I get hot-hearted. Baby, oh baby, oh baby, you're making me crazy. Rain, 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 you can't forget it. You give me brand new emotion. You got me drinking that potion. I just wanna see you like that, see you like that. So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion in 3D. You only grab me, champagne confetti. Hey, I wanna see it in motion in 3D. Come on, 'cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. You know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. 'Cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it, 3D. You know I like it, girl. 3D.
I'm on my junk cook, take a chick off one look, and when they get took, they don't ever get untook. When I seen that body, you would think it was a the way I told my boys come look. I used to take girls up to Stony Brook and steal their hearts like some crook. True story. Now when I hold somebody's hand, it's a new story. All my ABGs get cute for me. I had one girl, too boring. 2 girls, it was cool for me. 3 girls, damn, dude's horny. 4 girls, okay, now you. I'm loose. I done put these to good use. I done put my city on my back, and the world know my name. I'm the truth.
So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion in 3D. You only grab me, champagne confetti. I wanna see it in motion in 3D.
Why?
'Cause you know I like it, girl.
I got you like that, right?
3D, you know I like it, girl. 3D, 'cause you know I like it, girl. You know how I like it. Alright, you know I like it, girl. 3D.
I got you on camera. You my babe, just like Tampa. Speaking of bucks, I got those, and that's for, well, not those, and that's for thoughts. Well, do you really wanna know? I thought so. I fly you from Korea to Kentucky, and you ain't gotta guarantee me nothing. I just wanna see if I get lucky. I just wanna meet you in the physical and see if you would touch me.